Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. MXP signing here again. Today is Adobe Max, and Adobe has just released a new version of these Creative Cloud suites. Both Lightroom Classic, Lightroom CC and Photoshop 2023 have been improved, and particularly the AI and the way they think things in shots and removing unwanted content. In my last two videos, I show you how you can use an AI named DALL-E to improve your shots and extend the crop and remove unwanted patterns. So we'll see in this video if Photoshop and Lightroom have really improved their neural filters to remove unwanted content and do better things with content aware fill. So in the latest version of Lightroom Classic, be sure to have the version 12. There is a new feature, a delete one, so you need to improve your brush, draw all around the place you want to remove, and it's gonna use the AI of Lightroom to remove the content. As you can see, there is a little bit of issues down here, but it has really improved the way things are being replaced and being fixed by the AI. Let's see by dragging if we can improve things a little bit. So there are still issues down here compared to what an AI can do, as you saw in my previous video. So we're gonna move next to Lightroom CC to check if things are better on this new version. So let's see in the last version of Lightroom. If you want to check you have the right version, it's version 6. If you remember, I used this image on my previous video, and I was trying to remove the boat, and there is a new feature in Lightroom, also available in Lightroom Classic, which can be used to remove content. All you need to do is to adjust the size of the brush, draw like we did on DALL-E or what you can do on Photoshop, and just wait for the AI to remove the thing. As you can see, there are still issues here when computing the reflection of the water and the detail of the water. And for now, this tool is not very useful here on Lightroom. But let's see now in Photoshop if they have really improved the AI and the neural filters. So I have opened the very same file that I use on my previous video, and this time I'm gonna select, like as I did before, the whole part I want to remove from my image. So here's my selection. I'm gonna go to Edition, Fill, and Content Aware Fill, and that's pretty better than what Photoshop used to do. If you remember, I'm just gonna open the previous file here. So this is what Photoshop did last time when we used Content Aware Fill, and that's a new version. Basically here, content seems to be very fixed and pretty cool. So as you can see with the latest version Photoshop 2023, things have really improved in the neural filters. So here is the original picture I made using my drone, and the one fixed by DALL-E when removing the boat. Lightroom CC and Lightroom Classic are not very efficient so far, but as you can see, Photoshop has really improved with the latest version, and it's very close to DALL-E and what an AI can do. I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you do like my content, please subscribe here on my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, and follow me on Instagram to see all the content you can make with drone. Stay tuned.